We had a great showing today, open house. Now it's time to just start shutting everything down. What I like to do is kind of go through the house, just start wrapping everything up. Wherever you have your stuff, where it's going to be the last room that you're going to pull out, like your computer and your phone and stuff like that. That's the last room you want to shut down. So let's go through the house, shutting everything down. And I like to go in kind of a circular pattern. So lights off everywhere. Make sure all your lights are off. Let's make sure that we turn our sound bar off, get that turned off. Now you might want one light or two lights on in the house so it looks like there's somebody here, especially if it's a vacant house. So I'll leave a bathroom light on that is a low voltage light. So it shows that there could be somebody in here, and that's enough light that will come through the rest of the house. And I usually leave the entry light on also when I'm exiting, which would happen to be this light up here. I'll leave that one on. So we'll put that one. We got all our other lights shut off. We're going to go the rest of the house. We have these lights in the kitchen. And turn off that light, this light. Now, all we have to do is grab our computer and turn this light off, our phone, and we are ready to rock and roll. So that is basically how I shut down an open house. So, hey, I'll catch you guys later.